friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the Call of Duty gameplay test in the Realme X7 Pro device. So this is a Realme X7 Pro which has the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, and I did a Call of Duty testing before the update, but recently I did receive the new update in this Realme X7 Pro. So after the update, I thought of doing the Call of Duty gameplay test again. So few of the users they want to know how is the game performance after the update, and this is a Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. You can clearly see here, friends, and the RAM is of 8 GB RAM variant. And let me quickly open the game of the Call of Duty. And even before the update, it did perform pretty good in all the modes, so there is no issues in terms of the Call of Duty gameplay in this phone. And in case if you want to know PUBG 90 FPS support test after the update, so try to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of this Realme X7 Pro device, or recently uploaded videos. You can find this video on the 90 FPS whether it's supported or not after the software update. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me regularly, friends. In case if you're planning to buy this device, you need to know complete details about this phone, whether which game is good and which game is not good in this mobile phone. And first thing is, let me quickly go to the settings and show you the exact graphic settings what I'm using right now. As you can see, friends, so these are high and maximum frame rates, and if you select the very high, as you can see, if you select the very high graphic quality, the frame rates will be selected to only the very high here. So you cannot use a maximum frame rates with the maximum quality. That's not possible. So these two cannot stay together. So that's the one drawback here. So first thing is that let me try to select the maximum quality and the very high frame rate. So let's see how I am going in this mode, and later I'll try to change to the high and maximum as well, and I'll try to compare both modes. So let's see, friends, and most of the users, they requested me to test only in the battle royale game, so not in the multitasking mode. So they asked me to test only in the battle royale. So let me try to quickly select the match here and start the gameplay, and let me even show you the real-time FPS meter during this test, how much I'm getting right now. So definitely, friends, it's been close to more than 50 days of using this X7 Pro device. And in case if you want to know any details about this X7 Pro, so obviously the battery, camera, display and everything, loudspeaker, so make sure to check that video on the 50 days of using this Realme X7 Pro. I think recently I did finish that 50 days of using the phone, so make sure to check that video. And there is a playlist as well, friends, so that playlist will give you the clear clarity about the which videos are available where. So try to follow the playlist and you will get to know more details about this phone. So right now, as you can see, friends, so the real-time FPS I'm getting around 40 FPS, 40, so 39, 41. So let me try to quickly run around and show you the real time how much it is. So 41, as you can see, 40, 56, 38. So the only thing I can see is that it's maintaining consistent around 40 FPS. So 40 FPS is the overall consistently maintaining FPS count meter. So this with the high quality. So that's what, friends, with the high quality and with the very high FPS, not to the maximum FPS. As I said, you cannot use both at same time. So 40 FPS you are getting right now. You can see here, friends, clearly 41. And a CPU and the GPU utilization you can clearly see. So 23% and 64%, 90%. This GPU, it's increasing. So I'll try to play the game for a couple of minutes, and then I'll try to even show you the real-time FPS meter, how it's handling. And one thing is that it has got very good loudspeaker in this phone, which gives you the really good sound experience while playing this kind of game here. So having the dual loudspeaker setup is another advantage to get to know the enemy footsteps coming from the left or right. So that is quite possible in the dual loudspeaker mobile phone setups if they are having. So even with the high quality, I didn't have any issues, friends, in terms of the quality. Overall, the gameplay is pretty good, pretty stable and solid. So no issues in terms of the frame drops or nothing like that. So this with a very high settings right now I'm trying to play. So let me even show you the FPS count while I'm playing, so you will know exactly with the high and very high FPS and quality as well. So both if you use, you will get the maximum of 40 FPS during this mode. So now next step is to decrease the quality and increase the FPS count. So whether we can achieve the 60 FPS or not, we'll get to know right now. So let me quickly close the game and open again. So let me quickly show you the graphics settings. Right now I did select to the high and very maximum frame rates, as you can see your friends clearly. So let me try to quickly close the game and reopen again, so you'll know exactly so whether it's supported or not. So let me try to be in the safe zone so that if when I restart I can be back again. So even with this kind of high quality, the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor is quite powerful, but the games all need to be optimized for this processor. That is only the main problem right now going on. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description. So there is a link available for this live wallpaper, so which will be really amazing to use in your smartphone. So let me quickly show you what graphic settings and everything. What is the maximum FPS right now we will be able to reach. So I did restart the game after changing the graphic settings here. So let's see friends, what is the maximum FPS we'll be getting here right now. So right now I did update to the maximum FPS. So let me quickly kill him and show you the exact FPS count, how much I'm getting. As you can see friends, the real-time FPS count right now it increased to the 60 FPS. Clearly you can see here. So if you use the quality to high quality, so let me try to quickly explain what's happening here. So if you use the quality to the high and the FPS to the maximum, so now you will be able to achieve this kind of 60 FPS without any issues in this phone. So that is what I did understand friends right now with this kind of thing going on. So let me try to quickly run and show you the exact FPS. So as you can see right now, so 60 FPS I was able to hit consistent without any issues. So in the Call of Duty, 60 FPS in the Realme X7 Pro with a Dimensity 1000 Plus processor is definitely possible, but you need to know what kind of settings you need to use to get the maximum quality and the maximum frame rates out of the phone. And right now after the update and before update also everything was same, so there is nothing much change overall going on here. So I was expecting to use the maximum quality and the maximum frame rates, but that's not the case. So maybe in the future updates we might be able to receive that kind of update. So I'm waiting for that. And that's it friends, this is a quick Call of Duty test on the Realme X7 Pro. And for more videos make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.